It all began with a tiny cry, a sound so faint, yet impossible to ignore. A little kitten was trapped inside a kitchen pipe, scared, cold, and all alone. Without wasting a moment, everyone came together. They searched, they listened, and they didn't give up. Slowly, they broke through the concrete, carefully opening the pipe, hoping with all their hearts to find the little one in time. And then, there he was, small, shivering, but alive. The moment they held him in their hands, every struggle was worth it.